Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial we're going to learn how to create categories, slug and subcategories. So before we start, what is category? Category is a means of grouping related posts into one or together in WordPress. In other words, we use category to organize our post for the purpose of search engine optimization, which is SEO. So what is slug? Slug is just the URL version of the category, which is mostly on small letter. Why subcategory? Subcategory can be defined or can be said to be the sub niche of the subgroup of the main category or parent category, subgroup of the parent category. So how do we create a category on WordPress? We create website category on WordPress by clicking on the post or hovering on it. When you hover on the post, you see categories. So to click on to create the categories, you have to click on this where you have to type in your category name. For instance, we say our category is sports. Let's say our category is sports, and then the URL friendly version of this sports could be is mostly in small letters, which is the slug. Is even defined here. The slug is the URL friendly version of the name of that category. So you can put sports and underscore women, for instance, and then you describe what this category is all about. The reason of your description is for better SEO, which is search engine optimization. So you can describe what this category that you've created is all about. When you are done, you just click on add category. You click on add category. So our sports is now added into our category now. So let's create a subcategory. Subcategory and category is created in the same way, but when you are grouping them, that is when you can now group it under a subcategory of the parent category. So what you have to do to get your parent category, you have to click on the same add category. So our category is sports. We have to add football, which is under sports. Like I said before, if you do, you can customize it by adding what you want to be in this your slug URL. But if you do not add it, WordPress will automatically add it for you. You can decide to leave it blank and then add your whatever, which is you add your description of your category here. Then the sports, the football, you can add anything. Just describe the category. Is the largest, is the most, that's not how to speak, is the most watched sports in the world. So if you don't know how to describe your category, you can just use ChatGPT to generate your category. And use ChatGPT to generate your category. So we are not API board, but AI is not entirely everything. So we are making this category so that we can show you how to add a sub niche, or which is a subcategory. So here the sports will be our parent category, while the football will be the subcategory, which is the child's category. So we have created sports and we have football. You can also add more. You can also add more basketball, and then click add. So you now if you want to view any of these, you have to click on view. You have to click on the view to see your category. So the category is not showing here because we've not added it to the menus. So you have to do is click on dashboard, and then you come to appearance and click on customize. When you click on customize, you click on the menu, and then you click create new menu. You have to click on this create new menu. Let's say for instance header menu. So I use this header menu so that we'll know the particular one that we are working on. Header menu. So when you see this header menu, it means on the menu on the top. It means the menu at the top, which is for the header. So you click on this primary menu. so that other ones will come. So when you click primary menu, so you now add the menu items. We'll have home, we'll have about, and go to your categories. You have to add sports, add football, and basketball. So how do you make it a subcategory? How do you make it a subcategory? Then you click on this reorder. So when you click on the reorder, you have to click on this arrow, this very arrow, and the one that you want to make a subcategory, you have to click on this arrow. So you see, it's now automatically the subcategory of the parent category, which is sports. When you are done, you can click done. You can click done. So, and you click publish. So each time if I design this header, anytime you hover on these spots, all these sub niches will come outside. It can be called sub niche, or you call it subcategory, or child's category. This is parent category, while this is child's category. So when you are done, you click on publish. But for now, I do not want it to. You click on publish. When you click on publish, so this is how it's going to be on your website. So thank you for your time. See you all next time.